Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be configuring virtual machine disk, that is data disk, operating system disk. If there is an emergency situation, right? If we want additional drives and space, how do we do it? Let's go to our virtual machine first. Let's select one of our virtual machine where I want to add a data disk or operating system disk. I'll click. And here, if we look, we have under the settings, we have the disk. Let's click on it. And if we note, currently the operating system disk where our operating system Ubuntu is loaded has the size of 30 GB. So let's say I want to add, consider this as like the C drive for Windows, right? Where we have the operating system loaded. Now let's say I want to add D drive, E drive, F drives, and so on. I can create and attach a new disk, that is data disk. It will come under where I want to keep my data inside the operating system. I'll click on create and attach new disk, and here we can choose the storage type. I'll select standard SSD to see some cost. I'll give a name like Amit data disk. We can give any name, and the size, how much size you want, we can give like 8 GB, 4 GB, whatever we need as per the business requirement. Let's click on apply, and it's creating a disk, and the disk is successfully created. It says updating virtual machine. So the process is quite fast, and there we go. Within seconds we have now a disk drive in our virtual machine, that is Ubuntu virtual machine. So now let's see, I want to increase the operating system size. We are let's say we are not happy with 30 GB. I want to change this. How do we do it? So I'll go to the operating system drive by clicking on the link. Then on the left hand side blade, we have the size and performance. Please note, before increasing, it is 30 GB as of now, right? And IOPS is 500, throughput 60. Let's say I want to scale it up. I'll go to size and performance, and here let's select some other size. So here the interesting part is that if you look, the error message, or the not error, I'll say warning, that the changes to disk can be made only when disk is unattached. So that's the difference I want to show. For the data disk, we can do instantaneously without unattaching, but for the OS disk, we need to unattach first. So that's the difference. So I'll go back to my the previous virtual machine. Now let's say I don't want the data disk. It's simple. I'll just open it. Then we have to delete here. Let's click on delete. The data disk is managed by please detach this before deleting. So again, we are getting a detach, right? So the concept here for this, like whenever we want to delete something or we want to increase an OS disk, we need to detach. If I try to do it, let's click on OK, and nothing happens if you look, right? So we cannot directly delete. If we look here, the icons are there to guide us. Attach is this one, detach is this one. It's the separated, right? It's the plug is attached, means attach, and this disattached, detached. So we'll click detached and click on apply here. So it's updating the virtual machine. Let's wait for a while, and it says updated the virtual machine, and now there are no disk attached. So that's how we remove a disk, right? So that's what it concludes. We cannot remove for now the operating system disk because our entire operating virtual machine will crash, right? Our own computer cannot run without an operating system like Windows or Mac, right? If it is deleted, how will the computer run, right? So that's what it goes for this tutorial. if you like want to experiment as an homework, please swap OS disk. You can try it out by adding more disk and then try to swap that, right? So that's what it goes for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.